Dealing with vehicle dents can be costly, but affordable repair options exist. Explore cost-effective methods like Paintless Dent Repair, PDR traditional repairs, and DIY kits to help keep your vehicle looking great on a budget. Here are the types of dent repairs. 1. Paintless Dent Repair. PDR uses specialized tools to restore minor dents without damaging the paint. PDR is often cheaper and quicker than traditional methods, preserving the car's original finish and reducing environmental impact. 2. Traditional dent repair involves filling, sanding, and repainting, necessary for larger or paint-damaged dents, but is typically more expensive. 3. DIY kits offer tools for small dent repairs, saving on professional fees. However, they require skill and are limited to minor dents. PDR is affordable, with costs ranging from $75 to $300, and provides a fast turnaround. It preserves the factory paint and is environmentally friendly due to the lack of chemicals used. Car owners should seek multiple quotes, favor specialized PDR shops, and check reviews to find reliable services at competitive rates. DIY kits can be budget-friendly for minor dents, but come with challenges, such as the skill required and lack of guarantees. Preventive measures include strategic parking, using car covers, and installing protective moldings to avoid common sources of dents. Overall, affordable dent repair options like PDR and DIY kits, along with preventative strategies, can help maintain a car's appearance without overspending. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@dentwerxpaintlessdentrepair.com.